your complete step-by-step manual to the low-carb lifestyle. Inside, you'll gain access to detailed information about low-carb eating and how to get started on your new journey to better health and weight loss today. The different types of ketogenic diets. The different types of carbohydrates, this is very important. High-carb foods to avoid. Which delicious, nutritious low-carb foods and beverages you need to eat to burn body fat. The exact amounts you need of good fats, protein and carbs. How to figure net carbs. The delicious good fats that help you burn fat. Exactly how to induce and maintain ketosis. The miracle fat-burning metabolic state. How reducing your carb intake regulates your appetite. How to trim carbs and still enjoy eating out. The simple ketogenic diet rules that make you slim, trim, full of energy and healthy. Once again, this section alone is worth many times the price of this report, especially if you are overweight, obese or pre-diabetic. And much more. To get the complete ketogenic diet guide or to see a complete review, click on the link that appears in the description below this video.